guys, so welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cut this hair into a pixie cut. So the things you'll be needing is a comb, your hair clip, a brush, your spray with conditioner, moisturizer and water, and you're gonna spray the hair. As we all know, whenever you spray the hair, all the curls come back. Alright, so I'm just going to show you how to cut this hair into a pixie cut. So here we go. So we're going to wet this hair up. We're going to spray it, comb it out. And then we're going to detangle and part the section that I want to be left in the front. So I want to give it like a short back, long front. We all know what a pixie cut is, but some pixie cut can be shorter than some. However, I'm just going to pin that up. And I'm gonna start clipping the hair. So whenever you're clipping the hair, you want to ensure, so I want to give it a feathered look. So you want to clip from the bottom going up. You don't want to clip off excess hair, as you know you can't replace that hair. Alright, so whenever you're cutting the hair, you want to hold it at it with the tip of your fingers, slant it, and then you're gonna clip upward to give it that feather effect going all the way up into the hair and into the shape. So I'm just gonna do that. You guys can watch. All right, enjoy the video. So guys, this is actually one of my old wigs, so you can grab any one of your old wigs and come cut some hair with me. Just watch, follow, learn something. As you all know, I am not a professional hairstylist. However, I am self-taught. I do a lot of these. I watch a lot of YouTube videos. So if you wanna, I'll encourage anyone who wants to try out these videos or try out some styles. Go ahead, because once I wasn't so good. It takes a lot of practice, of course, to get to where you want to get. So take the time out, try some of these styles. If you have a whole old wig and you want to try this, if you have some old hair, just grab a wig cap, start sewing it together, and you'll be good. Trying new things is fine, and so forth. So however guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this wig up. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and yeah, stay tuned if you want to see the finished look. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're a newcomer, welcome to the family. Thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Alrighty, stay tuned and enjoy the rest of your video. Now guys, this is how the hair looks from the back. I wanted the peak to be like a V at the neck, so I was cutting it in that shape there. However, I'm just gonna go with the flow, so wherever my cutting takes me, then that's where we're gonna go. Alrighty, so here we go. We're just trimming, we're just cutting, we just want to make sure, we want to refine everything. And I was just thinking about cutting off that peak at the bottom. So change of plan. So we're just gonna cut off the entire bottom of the peak, just to make it in one level. So it's almost like a bob pixie cut. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna reshape and refine everything to my likings, of course. And if I want to change anything, then I'll go in off camera and cut it into whatever I want to cut it in. However guys, I'm not going to install this wig right here in this video. I'm actually going to make another video on me installing this wig maybe next week or so forth. So today is actually the 6th, Wednesday 6th. And yeah, so stay tuned to see the finished look. Alrighty guys. Alright people, so I'm just gonna grab my mousse. Yes. And I'm gonna apply it to the hair and comb it through and style it. So I'm just gonna style it right here on the mannequin head. Please forgive my mannequin's face. It's not looking so beautiful. I've had this mannequin for quite some time now. It's my best friend whenever it comes to doing hair. However, I'm gonna try and fix her face. I don't know if it's gonna look a little better or not, but still, I'm gonna try. Alrighty guys, I'm just gonna apply the mousse and style it on the mannequin head. I then move on to plucking it off camera, and as soon as I am about to apply it, then you guys will see how I install this wig. I'm actually thinking about going in again and cutting it a little bit shorter. Alright, so I think that is it. Don't forget to share with a friend, share with a family. Help me get to 500 subscriber. That's the least. And let me get at least 100 likes on this video. If I get 100 likes on this video, then I'll surely do our next one. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Mwah.